Hi, I'm Jordan Levy, co-founder and CEO of CapSource. Our mission is to rebuild trust in higher education and workforce development by bridging the gap between academia and industry through real-world project-based collaborations. Today, too many students graduate without the skills, networks, and confidence needed to succeed in their careers. Employers are struggling to find job ready talent, and trust in education as a pathway to economic mobility is declining. CapSource solves this by integrating hands on, industry driven experiences into academic programs. We empower students to work on live business challenges directly with real employers, gaining the skills and networks they need for career success. What makes us unique is our scalable model. We connect schools, companies, and students through an easy to use platform, making high impact experiential learning accessible anywhere in the world. Success means more students graduating with confidence, securing meaningful careers, and contributing to their communities and the local economy. Our impact is measurable: higher job placement rates, increased employer engagement, and stronger trust in education as a pathway to opportunity. With your support, we can scale this proven model to empower thousands more students and institutions. Let's rebuild trust in education together.